If you're trying to block someone, it's important to know that Google Contacts itself does not include a feature to block contacts. However, you can block a person's calls, messages, or emails through the Google apps and devices you use. In this tutorial, I'll explain how it works and show you the available options. First, open Google Contacts and sign in with your Google account. Here you can view, edit, organize, or delete your contacts. You won't find a block option inside Google Contacts itself. If you want to block someone's phone calls, open the phone app on your Android device, select the contact or recent caller, tap the More Options menu, and choose Block Number. Yeah, the exact steps may vary a little depending on your phone's manufacturer. To stop receiving text messages, open your Messages app, select the conversation, tap the menu button, and choose the option to block or report spam. Once blocked, future messages from that number won't appear in your inbox. If you want to stop emails from a particular sender, open Gmail and find one of their messages. So click the More Options menu inside the email and select Block, followed by the sender's name. Future emails from that sender will automatically be sent to your spam folder. If you no longer need the contact saved in your address book, you can also delete it from Google Contacts. Deleting a contact only removes it from your contact list. It does not actually block that person from contacting you, and that's it. You now know how blocking works with Google services. While Google Contacts doesn't offer a built-in block feature, you can easily block calls, messages, or emails using the appropriate Google apps on your devices. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.